There's a time that the Israel came to Enugu. We went there together. We argue. They find out that we are not the same. We see that Israel came. We senior Israel. We're the first creation before Israel. It did not come from Israel. No Igbo land that come from. No Enugu land that came from. That man is a bloody liar that put 2 graves. The one is for God, the one for. In Bible, because they are not scholars. In Bible, my father, my name is in the Bible. RAMAS. You cannot go to Jerusalem without passing through the Ramah. Let me claim that my father Ramah lives in Jerusalem, that we are from Ramah, where prophets live in Israel. So any name they saw, because they saw God, they started answering they are from Israel. They are liars.
AKAJIOFO, kai gbara tako Dubai. Kai bidoguru na obigeba. Ine kuno obu unuwa kpomkwem bụ ndị bụ nri.
Yes, we are the aborigines. That is, Akankpesi na diodo. If it Akankpesi na diodo, if it enri, or now call Ikenganri, we are the aborigines. We are here for over many thousand years before the second settler, Agugu Ubene. They live at Ubene. That Agre came from Ubene and from Igala. Most of them are from Igala, Ubene. They don't even know where they come from. That's why they go from Kogi. From Igala is ruling over them. Maybe because Enugu Agre has got autonomy. They started claiming to be the head of Igbo land because the Agugu that came from them normally go to get to Ududu Ezedia. You know, if they went to get mud from there where they put the skull of the Eze who has passed away. So that's why they started the Obidie Wenyeso, because he rebelled against the town. Instead of Obidie Wenyeso, Adama people to crown him as a king of his. Adama have the right and the power and the authority in the kingdom. One of the oldest settlements, they are the owners of Nre. Instead of him, they want Agre to go and crown themselves. They make themselves jest of themselves. That's why Grace started rising up that they crown Nre. How can? It's a pure lie. Nre is the head of Igbos. We are here for more than 4,000 years. We are here before Enugu Agre, before Agre himself. We have been existing. We have been existing. Nribunre. They call it Nribunre. I can't put in a dude. Nribunre.
I can't put in a dude.
Nribunre. The aborigines of Rikidon. Yes, of Rikidon.
What is Ezeoba Israel? What would you?
I said, don't put a word Israel, combine it with Igbos. It's lie. It's a big lie. Nothing like it. Listen, what is if you call Igbo in Israel? Nas Nandi Igbo le make Andi mpaghara nke Israel. All the researchers, Isichi, America, send the high guy get ndị a na-akpọdo ndị Igbo, kedu ndị fabụ. Ndị ọcha wee bịa n'ala Igbo, wee make all research, wee je gbata American president. Na ndị a bụ ndị a kpọ the wandering Jews of Africa. Ebe Jews wee bata. Na anyị na-eme dịka ndị Jews. Dịka etu ndị Lebanese na-aga. That's why ndị Lebanese na-find it difficult to establish where Igbo man is trading. Ebo Igbo no Lebanese are there, the Jews are there. Because you know how well food argument. Now you know na food the agba. Obro na isi na Israel nka bu pompe. Onye Igbo obono no bo ofo. Bo yi no.
AKAJIOFO. O de maka iwozira kezizi ebe nri. Ya aborigine dịka isikwu si gbasabazie. Maka na ụfọdụ.
Okay, thank you.
Ụfọdụ weke asị na ha wasi nri.
Yes. Nri bụ the aborigines, and more than 250 towns immigrated from Nri. I'm the chairman that I host them during the time when Obidie Onyeso is alive. I host them from Kwara, from Imo, all part of Nigeria, all part of Southeast. Nri no chebeni part of the so many Menubezike is part of Nri. All Nri spread across all the Igbo nation. Nri is a pathfinder. Let me tell you one thing. Yes, let me tell you. In Ambo, Oya Boom Richard Uzo, Nri were a pathfinder. Richard Uzo. Oka Amanyo Tutu. Nyakobozo. Aro Abata Ahiazoba, the entrepreneur. Akwonato Igbo swere Igbo. Igbo ji wee biri eji wee nwe alo colony. Nwoka colony. When the colony, the Basal, Menubu State, and everything, Pana be a pay homage, even during the Taban Sudan. Pana be a pay homage. This is the truth. That's why I swear with my life, with the life of my children, to destroy those who start telling lies. We know about Enugu, we know how they started, how they changed their name and everything. For them to come say Umunri, it's just M.O. Mbolan Kwacha who started the club Umunri. There's no town like Umunri. There's no king like Umunri. So I don't like people coming to destroy the history of Igbo nation. Why we are alive, Unribunri, the aborigines of the kingdom, when I'm speaking, who then will speak? I will tell him, us in the we have voted, who will talk?